So, continuing to work on the electrical on this truck. We got the reverse lights figured out, which was a bad trailer plug at the back of the truck on the bumper. So we replaced that, and now we have reverse lights that work when it's in reverse and not on all the time. I didn't have any turn signal or flashers after I replaced the multifunction switch, so I was kind of dumbfounded. And then for whatever reason, I got to thinking, I was looking in the fuse panel here, and it didn't hit me until tonight. There's no relay in there, right here. For some reason, I got to thinking this was like my 12 valve. The 94 to 97 trucks have a little bit different fuse panel than the 98 to early 02s. So I got a spare sitting here. So we got no flashers. So we're going to plug this in, see if this was our culprit all along. I feel like an idiot. I was watching another video and it mentioned relays. And I was thinking of these two here, but this is I think power seats and power windows. Yeah. So try the relay. Oh, heck yeah. Sweet. I'm liking that. Alright, let me put the key in it real quick and check the turn signals. Yes. Yes. A simple little relay. Alright. He must have pulled that out. Must have pulled that relay out, trying to figure out what was wrong with the reverse lights or something. So, makes me happy. The truck is little by little coming back into form, running like a full-blown regular truck without a lot of issues. So, just thought I'd share that with you. Forgot to check for the flasher. Beep, beep, beep.